Hello you awesome guys and girls, I'm Anthony aka MadWizard and welcome back to the workshop, and today we are going to restore, fix up, whatever you want to call it, one of these. This is a replica imitation of a Bronze Age sword, Greek, called a Xiphos, famous for its leaf-shaped design, and you might know it as being the inspiration for Sting from Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit. So I've had this sword kicking around for a little while now, and I wasn't going to do a video on this because I thought to myself, well, there's not really a lot here to fix up. It's not really a restoration job, it's just a simple clean-up job, and but I thought, well, you know, what the hell, like, you know, I'll just videotape it, and if people want to watch it, then people want to watch it, like, you know, so you can get to see the tidying clean-up of this Xiphos. And I might just jazz up the handle a bit because it seems a bit plain and there's a bit of gunk actually in the pommel and stuff like that. So yeah, just a general clean up. So yeah, hopefully it should be nice and good. So yeah, no time like the present, let's do this thing. So here she is, all done. Oh, I'm so happy with the way this has come out. As I say, this is my first ever bronze sword that I've actually done, and she has come out absolutely beautiful. If I ever do a project like this in the future, I'd say there's a couple of things that I would do differently, like, you know, certain things that didn't actually go right or I learned when doing this project. So, but we live and learn. This is why we do these projects, because as I say, like, you know, nothing's written down on how to do this, so we just do what we can, really. So, as I say, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give us a big thumbs up down at the bottom of the screen, and of course subscribe so you never miss an episode. So until then, see you later, bye.